Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So yesterday we highlighted the flag, we got the flag break, and we do have a measured move for the flag break, which is all the way down here, which is basically this move down, retracement, and then a continuation, a second leg down. So that is still on the card. That's 11,721. I just want to get across to the weekly just to again highlight this zone that we are in at the moment. Look at the levels of support and resistance in between these two areas. So pay very careful attention to that, because the closer you are to, for example, this bottom level 11,721, the probability of you just smashing through it is not very good unless there is a major news catalyst that's going to drive it. So I don't think that's going to happen just yet. So at the moment, trend is down. No two ways about that. We need to be concentrating on the downtrend. But if we start looking at the lower time frames, we are looking extremely oversold at the moment. Drop down to the 3 hour, you're going to see a very similar picture all over the place. Nice solid break of this area, which is the flag. And what I do want is I'm looking for a retest there. Could argue that we've got one here. We'll check it on the lower time frames now. So this was the open this morning. Could argue that that is the retest. I think we'll probably come back up here. Moving averages are starting to go parabolic. Price is going parabolic. Classic flag breakout this. And you can see for, what's that, let's just call that half a day. Not even half a day, a couple of hours there. And then sort of almost 2 days inside the flag before breaking to the downside. So in a downward trend, that was what was expected. We obviously would have preferred it off structure, and I really would have preferred an entry off 12438. That would have been fairly decent opportunity to short that. Anyway, at the moment, I'm definitely not looking for shorts down here. So it is the 15-minute chart we need to be paying attention to. I would be looking for a couple of things. First thing, obviously, is up here at 12,159, and the second thing would be something along the lines of that. So in other words, a retest of this trend line. So what you could do, you could pick any one of these tails here on the inside of price, and that would give you the opportunity that you'd be looking for. So there's another flag forming here, so wouldn't be too surprised to see it just bounce down again. But this is all Asian session, so for me, I'm not even paying attention to that. I want to see price come back up to either this area here, and then there's a last area that I'd be interested in, which is up here at 12,200. So 12,200 or 12,207 and 12159 and 12118. That is the area that you need to be paying attention to. If we reject that area, then you can expect another push down, and your stop at this stage is you can pick any one of these swing highs from yesterday as your stop area. That's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. So cautiously short, I think, is the best way to explain it. I'm just worried about what I'm seeing on the Dow Jones. It's not really clear on the Dow Jones what's going to happen. It does look like there's a big fight starting to brew there, where the markets are trying to dig their heels in and not stop the rot, as I say. So for me, a retest of structure and proper price action, being inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars on those levels would get me short again, but definitely not looking at short where we are right now this morning. So I'd want to see us pull back into the zone for an opportunity down. And even something as high as up onto the flag, that would be ideal. Absolutely ideal, because let's take it from there. That is our leg down, then into the flag, and then there is our measured move, and you can see the level that we've got to the downside, which is 11,721. That is the level that I would be aiming for, to be honest. I don't see the fall stopping until we get down to this area, but I also want to see us come back and test structure so that I can just get a better entry in with a tighter stop loss. Anyway, that's kind of my view this morning. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.